I'll do a tutorial for you on adding custom barracks and buildings and such into Dayz using VP Vanilla Plus Plus admin. Uh, First thing we gotta do is get rid of some of these zombies. Um, Hit the home screen. Make sure you turn yourself God mode, unlimited ammo. Then you just start shooting the zombies. Shoot one now, I'll come running. Alright, looks like they're all gone. Now, when you use the VP Vanilla Plus Plus, you're going to use this right here. You will start with a new set. You put your name here, just put the cursor on there and highlight it, and you can change whatever you want. And you put sure it's set active. Say okay. I already have my setup here, so and this has these two that I have already put in. You can go to free camera and zoom around, and you see the two, and you can hit select, and now that one's blue. What we want to do is we want to remember what the Z is. Z is 12. That actually puts it a little bit higher, but if you go lower on these, you'll have grass sticking up. And then you also want to know the yell. Roll and pitch should both be 0. I see one got changed, but that's not going to make much of a difference. Alright, exit free camera. Alright, now I'll show you. After you add these into your init.c file, you have to remove that building set. Otherwise, you will have double doors because you actually will have two buildings here. So I'll show you once I'm done adding one and adding a loot spawn. One of the reasons I don't delete that set till after doing a loot spawn is because with the loot spawn you can actually get it to, with the two buildings, it'll register as two different buildings and you'll get more loot out of it. So alright, well, back up a little ways. We'll go back. You can do it in enable preview, and then you can just look at all the different buildings you want to do. But we know that it's a mill, so we go mill, and then we'll barracks 1, okay, or barracks 2. But since we got somehow I managed to double click it already. No, that's why, because I had this one selected yet. So I'll put this to 0. And this to 0. I'll put this back to where it was. It don't really matter because them are already in. So then we unselect. Alright, well, move back away. Oh, that was a third one added. Or no, never mind, that's right. That's because that other, I can actually go ahead and remove these two now. Delete and delete. See, these are the ones, these are the two that are already in my init file. So now we want to do this barracks so it stays the same. We'll double click it. I gotta hit save edits. Otherwise, a new building won't spawn. All right. Now we select it. And we can do the yawl, which was 50. And now I can move this, move it up. You gotta kind of do a shimmy shake type. And if you get to where you're standing, you can undo it, move yourself away. And, you know, they're pretty well lined up. You don't have to get fussy. I mean, guys are not coming here for the gear. They're not coming here for nostalgia. And, oh, look at how pretty it is. So now we got it where we want it. Go back in and we save edits. All right, now we'll click on the set on the little folder here. Error. Oh, set, select it. Yes. Now click on that. Now we want to export the raw. All right. Yes, we are exporting the raw. All right. Now we can jump out to our FTP and under MP missions, churn is offline. We go to storage 1 and now have export. Double click that. No, never mind. Disregard that. We go to profiles first. Profile. VPP admin tools exports here. Now we have below the text. If you haven't added any other buildings, you have to select this whole thing and paste it in your init.c. But since we already have buildings, we only need this last line. Copy it, close it. Now we go to the mission file. And in the init.c, we'll open it up. See, here's the first part of that code, and here's all the buildings I already have in. Now I will simply add this one right there and then save it. Actually, before you save it, this code right here is what will regenerate loot spawn. So we uncomment it and then we save it. Basically what this is doing is it's exporting the data so that this new barracks spawns gear. Without doing this, the barracks will spawn, but there will be no gear. So then we save it. Exit out. We'll stay in there. Go to your server controls. Skip that, skip that, skip that. We just want to restart. Save settings and restart. All right, server's restarting. server's restarted. We go back to the FTP, and now we go into the storage one, export. And see, now this will do a refresh, and this should change the date. Actually, the server must still be regenerating it, because this should change to today's date. There. See, it's at 0 right now, so the server's still generating all the loot spots on the map for all the buildings. Hit refresh a few times, make sure it's done. All right, now I have a backup that I keep. So I take my last one and I put it into the backup. Now I move this one over to here, and then you go up 2, and you'll see that that file is right here. So we take this file from here and we transfer it onto the server. Then we stop, skip all of them. It makes it go faster. And then hit restart. Actually, you can go in and change this line back with the comments out so that it doesn't keep regenerating that file. I want to just restart it again. It's not a big deal. Restart. Check and see. It says it's offline. All right. Started, ready. Should be back online. Back online. We'll start the game up, and now we will have a building added with loot. It's just that simple. I will copy the loot generating into the title. I will show you one other thing with Vanilla++ admin when you're adding buildings. Every time you add a building, you have to save it and then select everything over again and then add another building. Do it again and again. It's just some kind of a bug, I think, with the program, but it does work. I did try to offline, but for some reason there's a bug with it now. It doesn't work real well. So it's just better to edit it on the server. Alright, now you see, remember with the last one. See, it's got 2 doors. Alright, and these had 2 doors, but I deleted the building set. See, now it's back to just 1 door. And here's the gear. Lots and lots of gear. Of course, hit the N, toggle it on. Put yourself into God mode again, in case the zombies show up while you're messing around. Now we'll check and see if the loot's finally spawned in here. And it hasn't spawned yet. Might have to move off. So let's go check my northeast airfield. This one here does a teleporting. You can just click on the map if you want. Or do you have some pre-selected ones? Teleport to position. Alright, here are all the ones I've added up here. Let me check and make sure they're still spawning gear. I suppose I could have spawned in closer. Yep, see, they're still spawning gear. So now I will teleport back to Bologna. Try to get close to where I was. Alright, now let's see if it spawned any gear in. Yep, there you go. There's a gear. So let's say, and it'll spawn more and more gear as it gets through. And remember, it's still got the 2 barracks. So we'll have to go in and delete the other barracks. Home. Go to the crane. Select the Belota one. Yes. And then delete that. And now we'll go out. And the extra barracks is gone. Now what I was telling you about with the saving, we'll do that now. We'll select Belota, select that building set, search for mill. We'll put in different barracks this time. We'll put in the old style barracks. We'll put one there. Alright. We'll go out of home. We'll move a little bit away so we can see it better. Now, yeah, we'll put the 50 so it matches the other ones. Then pitch, we'll go with 0. Roll 0. Probably go 11. Yeah, because 12 is too much. So we can go ahead and check. We don't have to open doors. See, we still got some grass coming through. But you could do 11.5 maybe. 11.5. No, that's too high. Backspace. 1.8. Oh, gotta keep that cursor on there. 0.8. Oh, too high. 11.3. Nah, too high. 11.2. Alright, we'll try it and see what it looks like on the inside. Yeah, better. There's still grass coming through, but again, they're not gonna care. Guys are only here for the gear. Now we'll move it back a bit. You gotta kind of do this stupid angle type stuff. And then you can do like the free camera and see how it looks from the sky. What the heck, that looks pretty good. Go back off a free camera. Now, in order to build another building, so if you just click on there, it's not going to do nothing. You have to save to edit. Reselect your building set Belota And now you can add another barracks. Select it, put the yawl at 50, 0, 0. Then we did 11.2, 11.2. All right, now we'll move this. We need to move way back so we can get that out here. Home. Turn off the admin. Go out and check it. Enough room to run around. Yeah, I can probably move it up a bit yet. Home. Home. Oh, I hear a zombie. Alright. Save edits. Now we gotta select it again. Yes, we want to select it. Export raw. Yes. And exit out of that. Exit out of this. Shoot this stupid zombie. Alright. Now we can exit out of the game because the zombies are going to swarm us. Now we go back to FTP. Go to Profile. BPP Admin. Exports. There's Pelota again. See, now we have the two new buildings. We select those. Copy them. Go back to the MP missions. MP missions. Turn off plus. Init.c. Add these two new buildings to the bottom. Save it. Uncomment the get and save it again. Now we will skip config, skip update, restart. Once it restarts, we have to go to the storage one, export, refresh. Still got the 10:01 time frame, so that's not the new one. Keep refreshing. It's gonna regenerate all of that gear. There we go. It's at 0 now, so it is finally doing that. You can see it does take a little bit of time for it to generate all the gear. Alright, so then we take our last one and we move it to the backup. We take the new one, move it here. Go up to, start by going to init.c. We'll comment out this line again, and I'll put this line into the comments or somewhere in the section, so you can just copy and paste it. And then we upload this file to here. And then we skip save, skip save, skip save, and restart. Now when the server restarts, we'll be able to go in. We'll have to wait a little while for it to start. We'll move away from there, and it will spawn gear again. Don't fall asleep. Now, once you get these buildings added, you can add more spawns there for zombies to spawn. I'll probably make a short video on how to do that. But now once we get in again, we'll have to God mode, unlimited ammo, that way we don't get killed by zombies. Now we can go to the building set. Belota, yes. Yes. Now we will delete these two buildings. Yes. All right. And now we have our two buildings in. Yeah, sometimes because the other building was on top of it when it spawned in, it's gonna be bugged. You're not gonna be able to get in. So we will we'll go to Northeast Airfield again, and then we'll come back and maybe they'll be fixed. If not, you have to do a server restart again. Alright, I lied. Right there. Now we'll go back to Belota now. Why is it doing double? It shouldn't be this way. Let's see. Oh, I didn't hit save. That's why. After I removed the building set. See, you get delete, yes, delete, yes, save edits. Now they'll be gone. Hasn't spawned gear yet, so I'll have to go away for a bit and then come back and it will spawn gear. Let's go over here and maybe shoot some zombies. try to come around and I got a better rifle than this. Where is it? We got two in one shot there. That's pretty good. Oh, here comes another one. Alright. Let's run back there and check it now. Apparently I must not be in God mode and unlimited ammo. There we go. Alright. I must not got away far enough. So we will teleport further away again. Let's go to northeast airfield this time. Again. And run around for a bit. I'm gonna eventually add spawn to these big hangars. Because nothing spawns at them. Oh, I guess something does spawn. It's the first time I've seen something spawned in them. Used to have a whole bunch of spawn spots, but I'm gonna add some more. So there's more gear. Flashbang, nice. SK5. Alright, I should be able to spawn back to Pelota. Oh, spawn right inside the building. Nice. Yeah, I don't know why it ain't spawning gear yet, but I should be able to check that this file here. Find, paste, find next. Couldn't find that, huh? Just copy that. 5094. 4. Looking for position 5094. There it is right there. So they are in there. There's the 2 of them right here. So it's just a matter of waiting long enough, I guess. Alright. Well, I guess I'll end the video. You seen it worked on the other one. It does work on these. They just haven't spawned loot in yet. Yeah, definitely take a sleeping bag. I'm gonna use that in my base. Alright, now there's a zombie spawn there, so they may be finally spawned in. No, I'm still not. Alright, so there you go. If you got any questions, post them down below.